guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here to do another unboxing. It's been a while. This is a ThredUP DIY Designer Box. I actually got two. This one says DIYD for designer and JJ. The other one I believe is KK. They both come from the same location, which is Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. So the videos I have seen with the designer stuff have come from here. They've been pretty good. I have peeked in here just a little bit and I like what I see. So keep watching. But for all who don't know me, my name is Wendy. I am a part-time reseller, or if you even want to call it that, it's more of a hobbyist at this point. I have made quite a bit more money when I had time to devote to reselling, and I haven't lately. I work a lot of hours at the post office. I'm a full-time postal clerk, so be nice to your postal workers. They are working really hard to get your mail and pick up and everything. I work about 60 hours a week, average. It could be more, it could be less. Forgive my nails. My gel polish is peeling, and I haven't had time to actually sit down and let it soak off. But yeah, we're here for the Designer DIY Rescue Box from ThredUP. I believe it is 120. I don't remember. I know I paid $130 something with the tax. It was free shipping because it is over $75. But yeah, DIY Designer Rescue Box. There are 7 items, so I believe it averages out to about $19 a piece. Not sure. But like I said, I took a peek. I didn't tear the wrapping paper. The little stickers are still on there, but I have to. Alright, first item looks like an animal print. It is a small size P, St. John's. I don't know if I can focus on that. St. John Couture. Needs a little bit of cleaning. It's kind of got a not really a musty smell. It is 94% silk, 6% spandex. It feels really good. But I don't know if you can see it. Let me turn it inside out. It's probably better. There is a lot of discoloration around the armpit. I don't think you can really notice it so much on the outside. I mean, you can if you're looking. But yeah, definite pit stains. I don't really know how to clean silk. It's not really my thing. And I know when you take things to dry cleaners, they come back just as dirty. They don't really get the spots out. Can you soak this? If you can, if you know about cleaning silk, and what's gentle enough to not damage it, but yet get these pit stains out, let me know. But it's real cute. The buttons in the back are real adorable as well. Cute. Let's see. This is a Jill Sanders navy. Is that what it says? It's just a white. It's hard to tell because there are like the little tags on there. I'm guessing this one was probably a Rent the Runway tag in the designer box, but it is pretty cute. I don't really see any spots on it, not even pit stains. No buttons are missing. It's cute. Never really sold Jill Sanders. Of course, I've never found it either. Oh yeah, and this is a size, let's see, it's probably my size. Let's see. It is a size 44, made in Italy. It is 97% cotton, 3% elastic. Yeah, it's probably my size. We have a M. Missoni. I guess, I don't know if this M by Missoni or just Missoni. I don't really know. It's a really pretty little sweater knit dress. I think a lot of times with these Missoni, I know the last time I got one in the only designer box that I've ever gotten, there was some snags just because of how the fabric is. But I don't see any snags. There's even a liner in here. I wonder if the liner's detached. No, it's still attached. So it's a lined dress. This is a size. It's actually pretty nice. It is a size, well, I keep missing the tag. I see it and then it disappears. That one's cut out. So I wonder if that's why ThredUP didn't take it. It's because they didn't see a size, but I'm guessing it's probably a medium. So I got these sunglasses. I'm tempted to keep these. I did take a peek at these because they were in the side of the box, but they are Saint Laurent. I believe that these retail for quite a bit. They're in really good condition. I only noticed one tiny little deal on the glasses. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not because it's so tiny. A tiny little scratch. But these look and feel legit, and I really like them. Wear them for the rest of the video. No, my ears are sticking out. I probably shouldn't do that, huh? I will put up some comps on the screen so you can see how much most of these have sold for. I'm thinking I could probably get like $150 maybe for these. I'd be happy with that. That'd pay for the whole box. Let me see. This is a really pretty print. Reminds me of Saved by the Bell. This is Diane Von Furstenberg. It is a size 6, 100% silk dress. It is not a wrap dress like she's known for. It is just a little shift dress. And then the sleeves, they are kind of ballooned out a little bit. Really pretty. It's got like the neon yellow with the pink and the black and white. Super, super cute. Let's see. I don't really notice anything. I'm sure there's probably some snags. Let's see. I wonder if these are functional pockets. Nope, just faux pockets. Still really cute. Ooh, I got some Lanvin. Little leather ballerina flats. Let's see, what size are you? Pretty good on the bottom. This is usually a place where a lot of, especially flats, are messed up, is at the toe. And I don't really see anywhere. This can probably be. There's just a tiny little bit of something. It doesn't even look like a scrape. This one does have some wear on the back though. I don't know what size you are. What if it's under? Let me stick them on and see. I'm guessing they're probably like a 7. They fit. They're a little tight, so they might be like a 6.5. I can wear that as well, but it's pretty snug. have to do more research on the sizing. I don't really know if they put the sizing in their shoes or if they just put them on the bottom and they're worn out. Sometimes they're at the toe. But I am not seeing anything. But they're really cute. I think they're black and blue. So the blue tips with the black. Pretty good condition. The other side didn't have anything wrong with it. So, I don't know. I might could just like condition it out a little bit where it's not so visible. And last but not least, this is a vintage MCM. It looks like a little backpack. It is really cute. There's two issues that I've noticed with it. I did look at this one already since it was on the top. I wanted to do a little bit of research. This right here, the spring is a little messed up so it doesn't stay. But that might not be a terribly hard fix because you just need to put a teeny tiny spring in there. That way it bounces back. And the other issue is the strap is just barely holding on by this little thread. I mean, I can send this to someone to fix. I don't know how expensive it would be to fix it. But I might just make it a project piece because I only paid like $19 for it. And I'm pretty sure that I could sell it if I fixed this and noted it was flawed and everything for at least $150 to $200. But if I was to pay somebody to fix it, like say send it to cobblers or I haven't really got a quote from them, but I'm guessing it'd probably be about $100, maybe a little less to fix that. And then that would eat up like majority of my profits. I could probably sell it for just a little bit more, but I don't think these MCM bags go for that much. And I don't know that this is a sought after style. Of course, most of the little backpacks that I have found are a little bit different, so it might be. I have to do a lot more research before I do anything to it personally. And I'll definitely get a quote from the cobblers and see what they say, and I'll give you guys an update. Yeah. So I will, if I decide to make this my project piece, I plan on doing a series on here about reseller repairs, beginner reseller repairs. I haven't decided what I want to call it yet, but there's just like a little bit of wear to the strap where it goes in and out of the little grommets, but they are logoed and everything. The inside looks pretty clean. It's got this one pocket, and then it's got this little pocket in the side right here. So I don't think that it's fake. Like, I legit think that it's real. It's got the little number right here. And then it's got the little number on the front right here. I don't know if you can see that on the little deal. Anyways, if you know a lot about the MCM bags, or how much if you think that I'm underestimating how much I could get for it, let me know. I still have to do a little more research, but super excited with this box with the 7 items, the St. Laurent glasses, and the MCM bag, and I'm in the Missoni dress. The rest, like I said, I don't know much about Jill Sanders and the Diane Furstenberg. Like, I don't know, people don't give much for it like they used to. You see a lot more for it out there now. But super excited. Yeah, bottoms look pretty good. Overall, good box. But if you are interested in seeing more boxes like this, because I have another DIY box, I have 2 Rent the Runway boxes and 2 fun boxes, and I believe I have a Jomar vintage box here as well that I haven't filmed. You should definitely like and subscribe. That way you'll be notified whenever I do a new video. Yeah, so you guys have a great day, and we'll see you later. Bye.